If you have oily skin, stop scrolling, because one small skincare mistake could be making your acne, blackheads, and greasy skin much worse without you knowing it. Did you know oily skin can produce up to 20% more oil than normal skin? That extra oil mixes with dirt, dead skin cells, and bacteria, leading to acne, blackheads, and clogged pores. Studies show nearly 80% of young people deal with oily skin or acne at some point. The good news? Dermatologists say oily skin can be controlled with the right routine. Step 1. Use a gentle foaming cleanser twice a day. Ingredients like salicylic acid help remove excess oil and clean deep inside the pores, making it great for acne and blackheads. Step 2. Apply a lightweight serum or toner with niacinamide. Research shows niacinamide helps reduce oil production, calm redness, and strengthen the skin barrier. Next, never skip moisturizer. Many people with oily skin think moisturizer makes things worse, but skipping it can actually increase oil production. Dermatologists recommend oil-free, non-comedogenic, gel-based moisturizers because they hydrate without clogging pores. And don't forget sunscreen. Up to 80% of visible skin aging comes from sun exposure. A lightweight SPF 30 gel sunscreen protects your skin without feeling greasy. At night, treatments like adipalene or benzoyl peroxide can help unclog pores and reduce breakouts. Just remember, overusing acne products can irritate and damage your skin barrier. The truth is, oily skin isn't bad. In fact, it often ages more slowly because natural oils help protect the skin. The key is balance, not stripping away all the oil. Comment below with your biggest oily skin problem, and subscribe for more science-based skincare tips that actually work.